Now we are going to create a simple digital candle. At the beginning, the candle must be lit, and if a loud sound is detected, the candle must be extinguished. First, let's create a variable to assign whether the candle is lit or not. For this, click on Variables and click the Make a New Variable button. The name of the variable is given as lit and the OK button is clicked. Since the candle needs to be lit at the beginning, the value of the lit variable needs to be 1. Let's drag a setLit20 code block under variables into the onStart code block like this. I change the value of this variable to 1. OK. Next, if a loud noise is heard, the candle needs to be extinguished. That means the value of the lit variable needs to be 0. For this, let's drag an onLoudSound code block under input like this. Now, drag a setLit20 code block under variables into this onLoudSound code block. Next, the LEDs need to light up in that way. When the value of the lit variable is 1, the candle lights up, and when the value of lit variable is 0, the candle is not lit. For that, let's drag an if-else code block under control into this forever code block. For the condition, a code block with the equal sign under logic is connected. Drag the lit code block in variables to the left side of the equal sign and give the number 0 to the right side. Now, if this condition is true, the LEDs need to light up when the candle is not lit. For this, let's drag a Show LEDs code block under Basics into this if code block. I select the LEDs here. Next, let's create the else part of this if code block, that is, the case where the value of the lit variable becomes 1. If the value of the lit variable is equal to 1, the candle needs to be lit. For this, let's drag a Show LEDs code block under Basics into this else section. I selected the LEDs here like this. If the candle is burning, the flame needs to be moving. In order to display in this way, the LED in position 2 and 0 needs to turn off and on, and the LEDs on both sides of it needs to turn on and off. In this way, let's create a variable to assign the X position of the LEDs that needs to be turned on and off. For this, click on Variables and click Make a New Variable button. The name of the variable is given as Flicker and the OK button is clicked. Now drag a setFlicker2 code block under variables into this else section like this. Let's connect a PickRandom code block under Math for the value. In these LEDs, the X position is between 1 and 3. So I am giving the values here as 1 and 3. Now let's drag an unplot X:(Y) code block under LED like this. X position is given as 2 and Y is given as 0. Again, let's drag a plot X:(Y) code block under LED like this. For X, connect the Flicker code block under variables and give 0 for Y. OK. Now click the play button and see how our digital candle lights up. When a loud sound is detected in this way, the candle is extinguished. If you have a microbit device, connect the device to your computer and run this project. If you have designed it in this way, you little ones are very talented.